This thing is having its usual door problem. Hopefully this thing doesn't break down again. This elevator broke down a lot last semester. As you can see, the floors are quite dirty. They were a lot dirtier last school year, I do say. There's a Wheelock NS horn strobe and a System Sensor L series remote strobe ceiling mount out there. And two notifier BG12 pull stations. I just thought I'd give you out to that. The interlock was tested in 1987. This is a Seville 35 oil drawlick, so, and I believe the official elevator of elevators with the SH is that too. I'm not sure. That one has a different sounding motor and wide delta starters, while this one has solid state.